Thinking of programming your garage remote in your Mercedes-Benz? Here's a quick and easy guide. Before you do anything else, make sure your car is in accessory mode. Just press the start-stop button once without your foot on the brake. The garage door programming system only works when the vehicle is powered on, but not fully started. Step 1. Clear previous codes. Start by holding the two outside buttons on your rear view mirror for about 20 seconds. The light will start orange and turn green. This erases all stored codes, super important if you're selling the car or if this is your first time setting it up. Step 2. Pick a button. Now all the buttons are clear and ready to be programmed. Choose any one. I'll use the center button. Press it once and you'll see it flash yellow. That means it's in programming mode. Step 3. Sync your garage remote. Grab your garage door remote, make sure it has fresh batteries, and hold it about 1 to 6 inches away from the mirror. Press and hold the remote button for 20 to 30 seconds. If the light turns solid green, you're done. That means your garage uses a fixed code system. But if it flashes green, you've got a rolling code opener, and there's one more step coming up. Step 4. Program the rolling code. Head into your garage and press the Learn or Program button on the garage door opener motor. It'll usually start flashing. That means it's ready. You've got about 30 seconds. Get back to your car, press and hold the same mirror button you were programming. Tap it on and off, about 1 second on, 1 second off until the garage door moves. Once it does, you're all set. It's actually a simple process once you know not to skip steps. If you want to learn how to change the batteries in your Mercedes remote or how to start your car even if the remote battery is dead, stick around. We've got that in the next video.